He's got little eyes and everything.
What did you learn about? What did you learn about him? Did the Ten Commandments? What about him? How many are there?
How many commandments are there?
How many commandments?
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's pretty good. 10. That's
Excellent.
good. And what's the bunny? What's the bunny for? What's that? How's the bunny tied into it all? Okay, show me. Oh, a bunny puppet.
I'm Mr. Rabbit.
You gonna do your little bunny puppet?
Bunny gonna talk to the camera?
Little bunny puppet?
Hi.
Say I'm the bunny. Say I'm the bunny. I'm the bunny puppet.
Are you going to take us a picture?
You can make a shadow bunny.
How about taking us a picture?
Really? What about you? Do you like your bunny? Let me see what you learned. Let's see, you got your name on the back of it too? Let me see your name.
My name is
Destiny. What's your name? Donovan? No, hold on. What's your name? What's your name on the back?
Michelle, he wants to know her name.
Michelle's got her own bunny. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you later.
Okay,